56 Leonard isn't just real estate, isn't just a building. It's a piece of modern art floating over Tribeca. This home isn't just a place where you live. It's how you feel when you get there. Elevated, inspired, one of one. Every angle, every detail, every curve is a deliberate expression of bold, modern living. If you're ever lost in downtown Manhattan, just look up. 56 Leonard is your compass wherever you are. And guess what? I work for Compass. So between me and the building, you will never get lost. '56 Leonard has changed the landscape in Tribeca. This work of art will not last long on the market. Schedule your private tour today.